चारुचन्द्रावतंसं रत्नाकल्पोज्जलाङ्ग्यं परशुमृगवराभीतिहस्तं प्रसन्नं पद्यासीनं शमन्तात् सूत्रममगणैर्व्याघ्रकीर्तिवसानं विश्वव्यं विश्वबीजं निखिलभयहरं पञ्चवक्त्रं त्रिनेत्रम्. Lord Shiva is a principal deity of Hinduism. He is the god of distraction, transformation, and meditation. He is also known as Mahadev and is considered the supreme being in Shaivism. Common depiction of Shiva include a third eye, a snake around his neck, and a trident, while some myths describes him as the one who drank poison to save the world. He is often seen meditating on Mount Kailash with his family, including his wife Parvati and sons Ganesha and Kartikeya. Kali Tarashri Bhuvaneshwari Bhairavi Chinyamasya Cha Vidya Dhumavati Kama Bagala Siddhya Vidya Cha Matangi Kamalatmika Ekadasha Mahavidya Shithya Vidya Prakirtika. Dosha Mahavidya is a form of Adashakti Mahamaya, which is born and evil, but manifests in 10 different forms. Today, the subject of our dance journey is Dosha Mahavidya. According to the story narrated in Brihadharma Purana, the origin of Dosha Mahavidya is a marital dispute between Shiva and his wife Dakshayamshati. The previous incarnation of Parvati, Shati's father Daksha, did not agree to the marriage of Shiva and Sati. So, when he organized the Yajna, the newlywed Shiva and Shruti were not invited. When Shruti wanted to go to her father's house without an invitation, Shiva forbid her. An angry Shruti started shooting fire from her third eye to seek her husband's permission and transformed into Kali or Shama. Seeing this idol, when Lord Shiva tried to avoid them, Shakti took the form of 10 Mahavidyas and surrounded Shiva from 10 directions. Then Shiva reluctantly allowed her to attend the Daksha Yajna.
ষোড়শী দেবী সর্ববিদ্যা প্রদায়িনী প্রসন্নময়ী ভুবনেশ্বরী শান্তি অভয়দায়িনী চন্দ্রমুকুট মণি শোভে অসুর সংহারিণী সূর্য প্রভা কমলা চতুর্ভুজা ত্রিনয়নী প্রণমামি ভুবনেশ্বরী আনন্দ ফকিরময়ী ভৈরবী দেবী সচিবময়ী রূপিণী পূর্ণবর্ণা রত্নম্বরা চন্দ্র শোভা কিরিটিনী জপমালা পুস্তক হস্তে আদি প্রণব রূপিণী প্রণমামি ভৈরবী চৈতন্য জ্ঞানকারিণী ব্রহ্মচরিকা ছিন্ন মস্তা নিজ সিংহধারিণী দিগম্বরী মুক্ত কেশী প্রেমাদি নারদিনী সর্ববিদ হস্তিমালা শৈলভী মারুরানী প্রণমামি ছিন্ন মস্তা করুণা প্রদায়িনী সিংহাসন শোভিনী অর্ধচন্দ্র শোভে ভাগে চতুর্ভুজা ত্রিনয়নী অপরূপা ভাগে দেবী সরস্বতী রূপিণী প্রণমামি মাতঙ্গী বাসিদিদায়িনী বীরভূদেহী ধূমাবতী প্রৌরূপা চিরবসনী প্রতিহীনা তীব্র দৃষ্টিকা মুখচরণ আলোনী অভিধূমা শুভ হস্তে কেরামধূরকারিণী প্রণমামি ধূমাবতী জীবনবিনাশিনী বর্ণা ভবনা ভূমি বস্ত্রালঙ্কার শোভী শত্রুনাশে করা হস্তে ভগ্নবেদী সমাসিনী ধরিত্রী রক্ষয়ত্রী তেজোময়ী ত্রিলোকজননী প্রণমামি ভোগামুখী সর্বশত্রু বিনাশিনী সুবর্ণকান্তি কমলা দেবী বিষ্ণু শক্তি স্বরূপিণী গজবর্ষিত অমৃত স্নাতা চতুর্ভুজা সনাতনী পদ্মপরা ভয় হস্তে জগৎপালক ধারিণী প্রণমামি কমলা দেবী সর্বসৌভাগ্যদায়িনী
श्वेतपीतादिको वर्णे यथा कृष्णे विलीयते प्रविशन्ति तथा कालं सर्वभूतानि श्लीयते अतोस्तस्या कालशक्ते निर्गुणाया निराकृतेः गीतया प्राप्तयोगानां वर्गः कृष्णनिरूपितः First Mahavidya, Kali, the goddess who is the ultimate form of Brahma. Mahakali is of a pitch black complexion, darker than the dark of the dead of the night. She has 3 eyes, representing the past, present, and future. She has shining white fan-like teeth, a gaping mouth, and her red bloody tongue hanging from there. She has unbound, disheveled hairs. She wears tiger skin as a garment, a garland of skulls, and a garland of red hibiscus flowers around her neck, and on her belt she was adorned with skeletal bones, skeletal hands, and well as served arms and hands as her ornamentation. She is having 4 hands, Chaturbhuja. 2 of them carry the khadga or a shoe and the trishul, and 2 other carry a demon head and bowl collecting the blood dripping from a devil head. जय जय शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाम के बिना चलेगी सांस किस तरह तंत्रो विनाशिनी तारणहंत्री जन्मो विनाशिनी जाड्य निहंत्री ज्ञान निधायिनी आश्रयदात्री तारिणी तारयन्नाथ भगो सिंहो Tara, the goddess who acts as a guide and protector, and she who offers the ultimate knowledge that grants salvation. She is the goddess of all sources of energy. The energy of the sun is believed to originate from her. She manifested as the mother of Shiva after the incident of Shamudramanthana to heal him as a child. Tara is of a light blue complexion. She has disheveled hair, wearing a crown decorated with the digit of the half moon. She has 3 eyes and a snake called comfortably around her throat, wearing the skin of tiger and a garland of skulls. She is also seen wearing a belt supporting her skirt made of tiger skin. Her four hands carry a lotus, scepter, demon head, and scissor. Her left foot rests on the lying down Shiva.
जय जय शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पर मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत में सारे सिया नमो नमो शंकरा ओम नमो शंकरा जय देव नाम जय शिवाय शंकरा ओम नमो शंकरा ओम जय जय शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह
बालार्कमण्डलावाशं चतुर्बाहुं त्रिलोचनं पाशमङ्कुशशराश्यामं ध्यायन्ति शिवां त्रये Shri, the goddess who is beauty of the three worlds, supreme deity of three system, the tantric party of the moksha mukta. She is the ruler of Manidiva, the eternal supreme abode of the goddess. She is seen with a molten gold complexion, three blazing eyes, a calm mien, wearing red and pink vestments, adorned with ornaments on her divine limbs and forehands, each holding a gold lotus, a bow, and arrow. She is seated on a golden throne. सृष्टि स्थिति करी देवी भुवनेशी प्रकीर्तिता Bhuvaneshwari, the goddess as the world mother, or whose body comprises all the 14 lokas of the cosmos. Bhuvaneshwari is of a fair, golden complexion with three contented eyes, as well as a calm mane. She wears red and yellow garments, decorated with ornaments on her legs, and has 4 hands. Two of her 4 hands hold a goat and moons, while her other 2 hands are open. She is seated on a divine throne.
तुम्हारी विभूति महावीरा आदा ज्योति विश्व तुम्हारी विभूति तुम्ही शक्ति ज्ञानदात्री तुम्ही शक्ति ज्ञानदात्री प्रेमानंद दायिनी मां प्रेमानंद दायिनी भुवन मोहिनी कुंदी तुम्हारे दुर्गे दुर्गति हारिणी भैरवी दुख संहारती यमदुष विनाशिनी काल भैरव भार्या च भैरवी परिकीर्तिता Bhairavi. Bhairavi is the fifth of the 10 Mahavidya goddess. Bhairavi is the first and terrifying aspects of the goddess and in nature hardly indistinguishable from Kali. Goddess Bhairavi is the consort of the Bhairava, which is the first manifestation of Lord Shiva associated with the annihilation. Bhairavi is seen mainly as Chandi in the Durga Saptashati, who slays Chanda and Munda. Devi Bhairavi, she is also decked with snakes and serpents. Two as her ornamentation. Rarely is she is seen wearing a jewelry on her hands. Of her 4 hands, 2 are open and 2 hold a rosary and book.
Chinnamasta. She is known as the self-decapitated goddess. She is also known as Prachanda Chandika. Chinnamasta. She whose head is silver. The self-decapitated goddess. She chopped her own head off in order to satisfy Jaya and Vijaya. Metaphors of Rajas and Tamas, part of tributes. Chinnamasta has a rich complexion in body with a frightful appearance. She has this red hair. She has 4 hands, 2 of which hold a sword and another hand holding her own severed head. 3 blazing eyes with a frightful mane, wearing a crown. 2 of her other hands hold a lasso and drinking bowl. She is a partially clothed lady, adorned with ornaments on her wings and wearing a garland of skulls on her body. Dīvyanācācārāyūṣya dirghāca marināmbara Bīmukta kuntarārūṣya Bīdhamā viradhartvija Kākadhvaja rathārūna Bīlambino vayambara Shubhastākiruṣākṣi Dhritastāvaramrita Provrithyam bhutradu Visham kutila kutileshana Kunto piva shatrita Nityam bhayadar malahaspada. Dhumavati, the Viju goddess. Dhumavati is of a smoky dark brown complexion. Her skin is wrinkled. Her mouth is dry. Some of her teeth have fallen out. Her long visible hair is grey. Her eyes are seen as bloodshot, and she has a frightening mane, which is seen as a combined source of anger, misery, fear, exhaustion, restlessness, constant hunger, and thirst. She wears white clothes, donned in attire of a widow. She is sitting on a horse's chariot as a vehicle of transportation, and on top of the chariot there is an emblem of a crow as well as a banner. She has 2 trembling hands. One hand boots and other holds a basket. Ishwari, Ishwari, Sharvabhutana, Tami Bhavaishwari, Devi Kamalatika, known as Kamala. She who dwells in lotuses, sometimes called the Tantric Lakshmi. Kamala is of a molten gold complexion with lush black hair, three bright, bloodshot eyes, and a benevolent expression. She is seen wearing red pink garments and apparel and bedecked with various ornaments and lotuses all over her legs. She is seated on a fully bloomed lotus, while with her full hands two hold lotuses, while to grant her deities gracious and assures protection from fear.
प्रणवालय पाहि परिपालय परमेशी कमलालय श्रीदेवी कुरिपिंचवे करुणाम्बुरासी
This performance needed standing ovation. Definitely, this was such a great performance. Weeks of hard work, coordination, multiple practice sessions every week. Thank you so much, Anya and team. This was such a great performance.